The 2026 Honda CRF300F continues Honda's tradition of building reliable, beginner-friendly, and trail-capable dual-sport motorcycles. While it doesn't bring major changes over the 2025 model, it remains one of the most balanced and approachable dirt-focused motorcycles for both new riders and experienced off-roaders looking for a lightweight, easygoing machine. The CRF300F is powered by a 286 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder DOHC engine. It produces around 27 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 26 to 27 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. This engine is shared with Honda's popular CRF300L and CB300 series, known for smooth power delivery, good throttle response, and low-end torque. The power curve is linear and predictable, perfect for trail riding, light commuting, and beginner-friendly exploration. Fuel injection ensures cold starts are never a problem, and the 6-speed gearbox now comes with a slipper clutch, which adds extra safety during aggressive downshifts and helps reduce rider fatigue. This engine is also compliant with the latest emission standards, making it road legal in a variety of markets while still remaining fun off-road. Built around a steel semi-double cradle frame and aluminum swing arm, the CRF300F is engineered for durability and light trail performance. The suspension setup includes a 43mm Showa inverted front fork with 234mm of travel and a ProLink rear shock with 260mm of will travel. Suspension damping has been slightly revised in recent updates to make the bike more stable on varied terrain without sacrificing comfort. The curb weight sits at around 142 kilograms for the standard model, making it light and manageable for most riders. It has a ground clearance suitable for light to moderate off-road use, and the bike's slim profile makes it easy to maneuver in tight trails or dense forest paths. Braking duties are handled by a 256mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc, both assisted by dual-channel ABS which can be disabled for off-road riding. The standard version rolls on 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels with dual sport tires, giving it the ideal geometry for dirt roads, rocks, and loose terrain. Ergonomically, the CRF300F features a high but accessible seat height of around 880mm, 34.6 inches, a neutral upright riding position, and a relatively slim fuel tank that holds 7.8 liters of fuel. A larger rally variant, if available in certain markets, comes with a taller windscreen, larger tank, and slightly higher curb weight, ideal for adventure touring. The bike includes an easy-to-read LCD display that shows speed, gear position, fuel level, trip meters, and a digital clock. LED lighting all around improves visibility and modernizes the overall look. The 2026 model maintains these features from 2025, and any improvements are expected to be minor tweaks to layout or software updates.